If you're thinking about purchasing an electric vehicle, you're making a really great decision. Here are 4 things you should know. Number 1, not all electric vehicles are the same. For instance, the Volkswagen e-Golf that we have here today is what you consider a battery electric vehicle, meaning that it needs to be plugged into an external source of power in order to be fully charged. An alternative would be a plug-in hybrid or a PHEV, such as the Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV. The Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV is the world's best-selling plug-in hybrid, and it uses an internal combustion engine in addition to electric motors. Number 2, get to know it. There are some functions and buttons that are very different from a non-electric vehicle, so be sure to check that out. Number 3, choose for your lifestyle. Do you drive often? Do you drive long distances? If so, you may want to consider an EV with a bigger battery, which will have a longer range. An example of vehicles that might have a longer range are the Nissan Leaf, the Volkswagen e-Golf that we have here today, and the BMW i3. Number 4, know the incentives. If you live in a Canadian province where incentives are offered on electric vehicles, you might want to take that into consideration. For example, battery electric vehicles tend to get more of an incentive because they are fully electric. Keep in mind that the incentives are based on the battery size of the vehicle as well as sometimes the number of seats that the vehicle has.